Make that green light go off.
Look right behind you. There's a fucking thing moving, or like a big sound right back there.
Who's walking around?
I know, but I got a pipe out. I got you back. I don't know, it could be a mouse or something, but yeah.
Lots of orbs flying around. And you show yourself.
Can you present yourself to us, please?
Are you one of these orbs flying around?
Is that a frog or?
Hello?
Should we go up to the next level?
Yeah, I think so. I think we're done down here.
Yeah.
Not much going on down here. Where it's supposed to be. And they said an office where there's supposed to be a tunnel.
A tunnel down here?